Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my Algo Trading Terminal created for Shunya Broker. Okay, and here I have used React as a frontend and Python as backend. So first I log in into the terminal. Once we logged in, you can see the few different options. Here this start backend option, when you click start backend server will start. Okay, the server is started. Now we have to connect our broker. Okay, here also you can see our files. Okay, strategy file. Here you see the strategy file. You can create your own strategies to the existing, like here we have all the functions like nifty close, SMA, EMA, like super trend, like that. You can also create your own method and add to this uh, function and save, so that also get included. And this is my Shunya main file, and here we have expiry related details are stored. Okay, and okay, so when I connect, I have to give the code. Okay, so I'm giving the code. So click connect and give the token. Okay, the terminal is opened. Here you see my index LTP details, and we have one chart, two charts, and three chart options. Okay, and you can select the strike from here and time from here. Then next, here you see the position detail, and it helps to minimize and maximize this position tab. Okay, and here you can see all position details, and in order, under order tabs you can see the orders, and under risk you can select this SL target options. And here under Nifty I have loaded some options. Okay, we have loaded option chain, and I have selected paper trade mode and selected a strike here, and SL, choose an SL like 10 points SL, target 20 points, trail also should be can be enabled. Okay, just click buy. Okay, the order is placed. Under position you can see the order, SL target also available. So you just click the SL option and change the SL here. Okay, and spot SL, spot future SL, strategies, all options are available, and just save this. Okay, click exit. Next, here you can see the strategy option. You just select the current strike or and enclose less than or equal to, means you can enter any strategies from here and just add by. So strategy will be added here. You can edit the strategies, delete the strategies. Okay, all these things can be done here. And apart from that, you can also right click this and buy or sell above, means you can click B for 23800C to buy if the price goes above that level. Okay, for example, you look at this LTP of Nifty greater than or equal to 24,222. Okay, like that, PS above. Okay, so just right click and click buy or sell above option, so the order get placed. Okay, when the level is broken. And if you want to load the option chart, you can just hover over that and click the chart option. You can see the option chart here, and select the chart and click OK, so that you can see the chart here. And in the builder section, this is for the option selling straddle, triangle, like. Okay, so when you click straddle, you see the straddle is loaded, and you can see this chart here, bull call spread, year call. Okay, like that you can also create a strategy builder here. And apart from that, if you want to create any legs like this, like buy, sell, and when you place order it will be placed automatically. Okay, here the buy is placed first, then sell is placed second. Okay, so this is very much helpful for option writers and strategy builders. Okay, and so I hope I have explained all the important features here. Here the main features are strategy. We can add strategies, risk, build a strategy, everything. Okay, if you log out, it will log out of this window, and when you click the code again, it will again come in. If you stop this, the background process, I mean backend will be stopped. Okay, so we have to log in again. I mean we have to connect the broker again after stop is clicked. Okay, and it is mobile responsive. So even if you open in mobile, it will be visible, and you can trade from mobile also. Okay, everything is available in mobile also. Okay, so in order to create this, I have created an AWS account. I have created a light sale account with 2 GB RAM, two CPUs, and 60 GB SSD. Okay, and it almost cost about $22 per month, I think. So if anybody wants this software, and if you are with the code, you can contact me. Only serious buyers can contact me because it is little costly, because I am sharing the codes along with this software. Okay, I hope you all understand everything I explained in this video. If you have any queries, please let me know in comments, and contact me in WhatsApp if you want more information about this tool. Okay, thank you for watching.